and then you eat it like a normal human being, like mm, 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 mm. So delicious. So what I was saying is, hi, this is Tabish and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna cook aloo keema, which is like mincemeat and potatoes in Pakistani style. And since I am on my parental leave, so I am coming up with every day with some new ideas to cook. And I just made a video that I'm kind of running out of recipes. Okay, so first we take a big onion, and I'm gonna make a big slices of that, not so small, and then I will blend it in a blender. So I need a small crush of onion, but my baby is sleeping right now, so I cannot use the blender right now, but let's see how it goes. And you need a big knife. This is my favorite knife. One of my friend Jacob has give it to me when I moved to my own house as a present, and since then I'm using this knife. Yep, it's already coming in my eyes. I think I will not chop it in that machine, so I'm going to do it here right now because Usha is sleeping. Oh my god, this is really, really strong. Oh my god. I need my glasses on, I cannot do it. It's so strong. Yeah. So we need a big pan like this one, and we take it all in. Oh my god, this is like, you see that? This is too much. I don't know, I think it's too much onion. It's gonna make my mincemeat might be sweeten it, I don't know, but let's see how it goes. Here is the mincemeat. It was frozen. I have been defrosting it, but still in the middle it's quite a lot of ice, but yeah, it's not so much fat in it. Okay, now we have our onions are ready. I put some oil, like 2 spoons of this. We're gonna fry it a little bit, and then we're gonna drop this meat into this. Add up some spices, garlic. The onion is done. My eyes are also better now, but still I'm having this, so I don't get this because I'm frying the onion. The next step is we're gonna take some garlic. So this garlic is directly coming from the tree, so it's never been taken out. Yeah, that is so fresh. So now I need a little bit of speed because my so this is a very, very simple way to peel out the garlic, because if you press it a little like that, now see, it's gonna be like that. Boom, you're done. So this is good. We need I don't know, we need that might be 3 garlic. Normally we have the paste of the garlic, but today I'm out of my paste. Anushna is so busy. She woke up. So Anushna is so busy and she woke up. So yeah, cooking is not that difficult if you have everything and if you know how to cook. I think it's a very enjoyable thing. The only thing is you need to plan, and as I said in the previous video, I'm running out of recipes. See? So this is a chop. Now I'm gonna add all this meat. Actually, we have to cook in two different portions because my daughters, they don't eat so much spices. And in Pakistan we have a lot of spicy. It's quite a spicy food in Pakistan, and I eat a lot of spices. So I will cook it without spices. In the end I will split it and add some spices for me in one portion. Now we're gonna add that garlic. The garlic is very important in every Pakistani recipe because especially when it's meat, because nobody likes the smell of meat in Pakistan. To kill that smell, we add garlic. Okay, so now we're gonna add some spices in this. So let's start with the salt. I take a small spoon. And for salt, my rule is that don't put it so much in the start because you can always add salt later. But if you put so much salt in the start, which is not eatable, there is no solution. Yeah. So I add 1.5 tablespoon, not tablespoon, but teaspoon. Since it's for the kids now, I'm not adding so much spices. I'm just adding 1 spoon of black pepper. Then we need to add some haldi, turmeric. I add this much, and then we need to add some coriander powder. I like this kind of crush. You see that? Yeah. I add 2 spoons coriander. We have some zira also. This is so good. I'm gonna add some zira also, like this much. It's for the so good smell. And then I'm gonna add some garam masala, CC karda. I'm gonna add like this much. That's it. Okay, now we are done with our spices. I will only add red chilies and green peppers, green chili later on when I will split it. Yes, one thing is missing. Okay, they were frozen. We don't use any tomatoes from the box. Everything we try to use pure, no preservative or preserved food. That's the rule. At least I try to follow. 1 tomato and oh my god, it's a lot of water. Yeah. So another tomato, I'm gonna take that part away. Yeah. Yeah, you just need a crush because it's gonna be cooked, quite well cooked. Like 1 cup of water. So now I guys just it looks like this. It's still a little bit unfrozen, but it will be frozen soon. It will be defrosted soon with the steam. And now I just gonna cover it up. We have a medium, or let's make it at 5. Now we're gonna cook almost for 20 minutes. So let's go to Google. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Second timer for 20 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, now we have to add some potatoes. So I just took it. I'm not gonna peel them. I'm gonna make it like this. Now the kitchen is almost cleaned. Let's check how is our cooking going on. Hey Google, how much time is left?
You have 2 timers. The 20-minute timer is running with 8 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the 2-hour, 49-minute, and 11-second timer. Khaled to pick up Marin is running with 30.
Thank you. So we have like 12 minutes. 8 minutes are left. I have set the timer for 20 minutes. So let's see how it is. And if it's... we have quite a lot of water, so it's no problem. What are you doing? What do you want? That. Okay, now we have to add some potatoes. So I just took it. I'm not gonna peel them. I'm gonna make it like this. It into 2 different portions. So this will be for kids and this will be for us, and this will have some spices. So that was it. If you see it, so you can eat it with naan bread or simple chapati, which I will make now. Yeah, looks nice. Let's cover it, and this one also. Let's cover it, and hopefully in 15 minutes it will be ready. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, now we're gonna make some dough for fresh chapati. So we have this whole grain, very healthy atta. We're gonna add some salt in it, and then we're gonna do some handwork, like that. So see, now it's becoming really good. The dough is ready almost. We will leave it like this for 15 minutes, and then after that we can make a chapati out of it. So this child sound from the background, baba, 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 is continuous. You have to live with that all day. Anashna? But I love her so much. Okay guys, now we're gonna make a roti, chapati or bread, whatever you call it. Let's do some fresh bread. So we're gonna take a dough like this much dough. We're gonna roll it like this. Then we have some dry then we do like this, and it's the most simple thing I would say. It's not so difficult. Okay, so I was not hearing Ushna, so I have to run and look for Ushna. So she was out playing with the cats, but I bring her in to me because I cannot leave her out of my sight. This is not a good idea. Now she's lying on the floor because she wants me to take her in my arm. But I'm gonna make some fresh bread, Ushna. So yeah, it has to be round, but I don't care actually. In the end, you're gonna eat it, right? But in Pakistan, if the girl cannot make a round bread, this is what you call a tandoor. It's like a small oven. You cook first on it. When you have a little bubbles, like shit. Now it's yeah. So you cook on this first, and then you put on the same side under, and it becomes like a chapati, a very fresh bread. Of course, you can do it in cooking range also there, but it's much faster here, and it's it goes much easier here. Start to become bubbles like this, then you can move it, because if you see it under, it's a little bit cooked. Ushna, she's playing with magnets here. So we open it up and we put it under here, and I just make this so it does not see. Now it's cooking. So it's not so easy to see from here because it's quite dark. Then we're gonna do the next one with this one also, the same thing. So guys, I have cooked this Pakistani style aloo keema today and a fresh chapati. It's of course not in the exact round shape, but it's very tasty. And this is a very common dish in Pakistan, and it's gonna be so delicious. So normally you eat with your hands in Pakistan. So you take a small piece of bread, and then you make a portion called nawala, like that, and then you eat it like a normal human being, like so delicious. So enjoy the video, and if you like this video, share it and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.